Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello children, welcome to the biology class. In our previous video, we learned how root pressure helps to transport water and minerals in small plants. Then, how the water reaches to the top of the tall trees.
Audio Jungle.
Transpiration, a pulling effect, plays a major role here. What is transpiration? The process of evaporation of water through the stomata of leaves is called transpiration. Transpiration is the process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts, especially from leaves. Aim to prove that transpiration is done through stomata present in the leaves. Required materials: a potted plant,
Audio Jungle.
a polythene cover. Let us see the procedure. Take a potted plant or medium-sized plant. Tie a polythene cover to one of its branch. Leave it one day.
Audio Jungle.
Observation.
Audio Jungle.
It is observed that the inner sides of polythene cover is moist with water drops.
Audio Jungle.
Remove polythene cover from branch.
Audio Jungle.
See children, here we can observe water drops inside the polythene cover. Collect these water drops into a watch glass and observe.
Audio Jungle.
Inference of this activity is the excess of water from the plant evaporates through stomata of leaves into the atmosphere. This process is called transpiration.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Let us know the importance of transpiration in plants. Continuous loss of water through stomata of leaves helps to transport water and minerals from the root in the upward direction against the gravitational pull. It removes excess water and cools down the plant in summer. Is there any relation between transpiration and rainfall? Plants release water in the form of water vapor through transpiration, which helps to form clouds, and evaporation also helps to form clouds. When air currents bring these clouds near to the forest, they become cool, condensed, and come down as rain. So, more transpiration leads for more rainfall. The amount of water passing through a plant is often considerable. For example, an oak tree can transpire as much as 900 liters of water per day. Children, I hope you have enjoyed this learning session. Thank you for being with me.